10-minute exercise, 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest, 10 rounds. Short on time, do one. More time, do a couple. Let's start. Remember, no pain. Next exercise, punch, jab, punch, jab. 3, 2, 1, start working. Twist your body, punching. Get your hip into it. Only move as far as you feel comfortable. Quality, not quantity. Use good habits, like exercise, to replace bad habits, like chips. Halfway through. Movement is freedom. Live moment to moment, letting things happen and adjusting to them. Exercise helps with coordination and balance. 10 more seconds. You can do this. Keep going. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, front snap kicks. 3, 2, 1, start working. Get the knee up, then the foot out to hit your imaginary target in front. Keep your hands up. Exhale as you hit. Low, medium, high, it doesn't matter. You are the locus of control, not them. The power is within you. Halfway through. The key to immortality is first living a life worth remembering. Exercise helps with self-confidence and discipline. 10 more seconds. Almost there. Doing great. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, round punch to an uppercut. 3, 2, 1, start working. Keep your hands up, tummy tight, light on your feet. Exhale as you hit. Keep moving. No excuses. Find a way. Why are you doing this? Halfway through. Mistakes are always forgivable if one has the courage to admit them. Exercise helps with mental focus. 10 more seconds. Couple more reps. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, back kick. 3, 2, 1, start working. Look around at your target, then kick out. Keep your hands up. Exhale as you hit. Low, medium, high, it doesn't matter. There's always good inside. Even Luke could sense the good inside Vader. Halfway through. If you don't love life, don't waste time. For time is what life is made of. Exercise helps us cope with life's challenges. 10 more seconds. Remember why you're here. Dig deep. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, round front elbow to back knee. 3, 2, 1, start working. Keep your hands up, tummy tight, light on your feet. Only push yourself a little at a time. Give yourself time to adjust. It's okay to be scared. That just means you have time to be brave. Halfway through. Sorrows are our best educator. We can see further through tears than through telescopes. Exercise helps connect the mind and body. 10 more seconds. Finish strong, almost there. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, jab punch to round punch to uppercut. 3, 2, 1, start working. Twist your body punching. Get your hip into it. Stay in control of your movements. Rest if you need to. You have more bravery and courage than you believe. Halfway through. A goal is not always meant to be reached. It is often serves as something to aim at. Exercise helps with balance and posture. 10 more seconds. Hard work wins every time. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, side block to a sprawl. 3, 2, 1, start working. Block one side, then prevent the takedown. Only move as far as you feel comfortable. Quality, not quantity. You have more strength and power than you think. Halfway through. Knowing is not enough. We must apply. Willing is not enough. We must do. Exercise prepares us physically and mentally. 10 more seconds. Follow your dreams. Do this. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, side block to round punch. 3, 2, 1, start working. Block, counterattack, always work both sides. Barefoot exercises works more foot and ankles muscles, but go slow and build up. You are smarter and more wise than you think. Halfway through. It is not the daily increase, but the daily decrease. Hack away the unessential. Exercise helps us cope with adversity. 10 more seconds. You got this. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, side block to a stomp kick. 3, 2, 1, start working. Block, counterattack. Low, medium, high, it doesn't matter. Go easier if you need to. Use the different levels for each exercise. Have courage to be the master of your mind, and anything is possible. Halfway through. Always be yourself. Express yourself. Have faith in yourself. Exercise helps us express our feelings and values. 10 more seconds. One more round after this. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, jab punch to stomp kick. 3, 2, 1, start working. Twist your body punching, get your hip into it. Get sleep, drink water, use a variety of exercises to cross-train and prevent boredom. Live your dream and keep moving. Halfway through. Absorb what is useful, discard what is not. Add what is uniquely your own. Exercise lets us live a life true to ourselves with courage. 10 more seconds. Well done, I'm proud of you. 3, 2, 1, rest. Well done. Thanks for doing 10-minute exercise. Do another routine here, or I'll see you tomorrow. Keep the momentum going. Do something every day, pain-free. Let me know what you think. Peace.